Hi guys, welcome back to App Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and sign up for a Bigo Live account. So for this, first of all, go to your App Store. As you go to your App Store, on the bottom right corner, you will see a search button, and then on this page, you will see a search tab. Simply type in Bigo Live. After you type in Bigo Live and search for the app, an app like this will appear. Tap on the download button and wait for the app to get downloaded. After the app gets downloaded, simply tap on Open. Allow Bigo Live to send you notifications by tapping on Allow. And now what you can do is you can either sign in with phone, sign in with Facebook, or sign in with Google. So here I'm going to sign in with phone because it's easier for me. So I'm just going to tap on sign in with phone. And then I'm going to type in my phone number and then tap on next. After this, a certain verification code will be sent to me, which I will have to enter here. So wait for a one-time password to arrive. Here I've already received mine. So I'm just going to tap on next, and then now here I can create a password. So I'm just going to create an easy password that is also easier for me to remember, but at the same time strong enough for other people to not easily find out. After typing in your password, tap on sign up. You can also choose your username. So I'm just going to choose my username here. And then choose your gender. So I'm just going to tap on female, choose your country, and then tap on next. Confirm that you belong to this particular gender. Now you can also set a profile photo at this moment, or you can skip it and do it later on. I'm just going to skip it. And then just simply cross this out or start following the trending broadcasters. I'm just going to cross this out on the top right corner. When I tap on the lower right corner, you can see that I have been signed up to my Bigo Live account. So this is how you sign up for your Bigo Live. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, if you found this helpful, make sure that you tell us in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.